de deformaciones usando técnicas geodésicas y de teledetección. Aplicación en volcanología y sismotectónica, que he realizado para optar al grado de doctor por el programa de doctorado interuniversitario en Ciencia y Tecnología de Ingeniería Geodésica y Cartográfica. Siguiendo con la normativa para la obtención del grado de doctor de la Comisión Europea, esta presentación va a ser realizada en inglés y en castellano. A continuación voy a realizar la introducción en inglés. The geodynamical processes, among different effects, can cause ground deformation that can be detected using geodetic techniques. The application of such techniques in the context of geodynamics, for the use in this context, we plan the following two objectives: study and analyze the space geodetic techniques and its error quantification, and for application in volcano and seismotectonic application. For do that, the following three sub-objectives are planned: study and analyze displacement with radar interferometry and its error budget quantification, and the study and develop of a new methodology for obtaining horizontal displacement using radar remote sensing images. Second, study and develop a new geodetic data integration methodology that determine spatially continuous three-dimensional displacement maps and the implication of this use. The outline of the talk will be as follows. First, we start with an introduction of the problem, and then in a progressive way, we present the major contribution in two parts. In the first part, we present a new a discussion about the errors in radar interferometry, and we introduce them later in a new